Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete all your TikTok videos in one click. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you tap on TikTok apps. Next, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on three dot icon. You can see here setting and privacy. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. Tap on report a problem. Next, tap on account and profile. Next, tap on profile page. Tap on others. Tap on no. Tap on need more help. You can type here. Next, tap on this. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe to my channel.